Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to replace the crankshaft oil seal on this car, a Volkswagen Passat B8. To replace the seal, we need to remove the transmission. First things first, we need to clean everything from oil and dirt. We're dropping the subframe, so we need to unbolt the tie rod ends, the ball joints, and unbolt the steering rack from the subframe. Now we need to unbolt the axles. Next, we need to pull the axles out of the gearbox so they don't get in our way. Now we unbolt the transmission from the engine. After unbolting the transmission from underneath, we lower the car and remove everything from the top, the battery, the air filter housing, and any hoses that are in the way. After that, we undo the upper transmission bolts. Alright, the transmission is unbolted. Now I'll install a special support tool to hold the engine, and using this equipment we'll lower the gearbox to the ground. As you can see, the gearbox is out and the engine stays in place. Now we'll raise the car and keep working. So what do we have here? We can see that the gearbox is covered in oil. Of course, I'm going to clean all of this up and we'll also replace the axle seals. Now let's remove the flywheel. As you can notice, there's a lot of oil behind the flywheel, so we can conclude that the rear main seal is leaking badly. And here is the new rear main seal. Now we need to clean everything up before removing the old seal, but first we must set the crankshaft to the correct position so the timing marks align. This is crucial so we can properly install the trigger wheel on the crankshaft later, allowing the car to read its exact position. Installing the new seal. Of course, we are using brand new bolts and will torque them down according to the manual. Now let's replace the axle seals. Alright, the seal is replaced and the gearbox is cleaned up. It looks nice and clean, just like it should. Now we are going to reinstall the flywheel. Naturally, we tighten the flywheel with new bolts, 60 Newton meters plus 90-degree turn. Putting the transmission back in place. Well, the transmission is installed, everything underneath is bolted down, the subframe, the steering rack, and the skid plate. Now we are moving to work on top. As you can see, the car is reassembled, everything is bolted down and in place, and it's completely clean, just how it should be. Now we'll do a quick test drive and hand the car over to the customer. Alright, thank you all for watching. Give it a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, make sure to subscribe, and definitely leave a comment on how you would have done it differently. Let me know your feedback and requests. Bye everyone.